You just finished work, grabbed your favorite snack, and finally sat down ready to queue up with your friends in VALORANT. But then it happens. That printed login screen pops up asking for a two-factor authentication code, and no matter how many times you check your phone or email, that code just isn't there, or maybe it's arriving, but not working, leaving you staring at an invalid code error while your friends are already in a game. I know that crushing feeling of being locked out of your account, especially when all you want to do is hit some headshots. It's frustrating, annoying, and makes you want to throw your monitor out the window. Trust me, I've been there, but don't worry. You're not stuck in login purgatory forever. In this video, we're going to dive into the most common reasons VALORANT can act up and walk through simple, actionable steps to get you back into the game, securing your account and helping you avoid future hitches. Kicking things off with the absolute simplest fix, but one that trips up so many people. Your code might just be chilling in your spam or junk folder. Seriously, always check. Their first Google's promotions or updates tabs can also be notorious hiding spots, so dig through those too. Also, quickly double-check that you're looking at the email address associated with your Riot account, because a simple typo or an old email can definitely be the culprit. Sometimes the system just needs a moment to catch up, or your previous code might have expired before you could even use it. Instead of panicking and clicking the login button a million times, take a deep breath, wait about 50 seconds, and then hit that resend code option. Avoid spamming the button, as that can actually queue up multiple codes and confuse the system. Remember, these codes usually have a short like spin, so always use the latest one you receive.
If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Auth, the most common issue is a time synchronization problem between your device and the server. Head into your Authenticator app settings and look for an option to time correction for codes or sync. Now, to automatically fix this, ensuring your phone's date and time are set to automatic can also prevent these kinds of frustrating sync errors from happening in the first place.
If you've tried everything we've talked about and you're still staring at that login screen, it's time to bring in the big guns. Riot Games player support. They have dedicated teams for account recovery and FUD issues, and they are genuinely there to help. Head over to their support website, submit a detailed ticket explaining your problem, and be ready to provide some account verification info. They are usually pretty quick to help get you back into the action.